Good morning everyone and happy Saturday sa inyong lahat at welcome back again sa ating channel. Ayan, thank you so much sa ating mga bagong subscribers guys. Welcome sa ating channel. And sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And don't forget to tap the notification bell guys, so you're updated pag may bago tayong mga updates or may bago tayong mga videos na na-upload. So ayan, it's 9:30 na. And Nigel and Daddy is outside kasi may pinick up sila guys. So yesterday it was Black Friday sale and he told me na aalis nga kami. So, maaga siyang umuwi. Parang half day lang siya nag-work kahapon. And then, all of a sudden, he's busy. Kasi meron siyang, he keeps on calling someone. And yun pala, kasi nga, may pa-surprise siya sa akin. Kasi, yes, yung tummy ko is big na talaga. Ayan. And it's so hard for me to wash the dishes. Kasi parang tumatama na yung tummy ko, guys. And, yes. So, ayun. He decided to get a washer para hindi na ako mahirapang maghugas. And, ayan. Mas easier ang life. Mas easier ang life ni wifey. So, ayan. Pinick up lang nila ngayon yung dishwasher. Sa Bingley. So, it's not that far from us. So, hindi na ako nakasama kasi nga, ginamit niya yung ute, yung ano, kasi ilalagay niya sa likod. So, hindi naman kakasya yun sa van namin kasi ilan din kami. So, malaki yung dishwasher. So, hindi kakasya sa van. Kaya, sila na lang ni Nigel ang nag-pick up. So, for the meantime, habang wala pa sila, naantay natin yung ang pa-surprise ni Love, mag-ready muna tayo. Let's fix the bed. Ayan, so ugaliin natin na as soon as you get up in the morning, always make your bed nice and ayan, clean. Yeah, it's good to start with your day with a nice bed ready for sleeping tonight. So ayan, ayos na natin. Taran! Ayan. And if it's weekend, my partner always make me hot choco in bed. And ayan na, konti na lang natira. Sometimes pag hindi ako bumabangon pa around 8, he always make me breakfast in bed as well. So ayan. And Cooper is already watching in his iPad. Hi Cooper! And niload ko na yung remaining na laundry natin. So ayan, naantay ko na lang na matapos and isasampay ko na siya sa likod. Almost ready. So, naglaban na rin ako the other day and malapit na silang matuyo. Kaya habol ko na lang yun and then yung mga uniform ng mga bata. And I'll have breakfast and we'll wait for Daddy and we'll do the unboxing. Tapos na ako mag-breakfast and nandito na sila. Heavy?
That'll be the view.
Oh.
Could you do me a favour for a sec?
Yeah.
Slide this under when I pick it up.
Okay. Mahimik ka dyan ang bunganga mo. Yeah, it's a popping bubble.
Undo where he takes it up.
Wow. Like you see inside here? And look, there's an extra where you put the spoon, fork, and knife, and all the other long, whatever.
Right, so I just realised I'm going to cut a hole into that cupboard there.
Oh my God, it's wet.
Because that's where the
Why
power
is it
is
freaking wet? Why is it freaking wet?
in that cupboard. Let's do a text that.
Man! No.
I'm going to text the
Oh, yeah.
It's auto intensive. What do you mean by intensive?
what?
Like a thorough clean. Heavy. This is the echo where you can save.
I don't have one.
Rapid pre-wash. Power wash. Extra drying and express. Oh, express. That's the outside look. Back. So I think this is where you put your
I'm not sure what you would put in there,
good.
but there's something else that I'd say goes here.
Yeah, okay.
That's where your little
put
capsule
the
thing.
Yeah, the capsule thing.
Go!
Pull it out. Well done.
Okay, Nige,
Now,
you need to
I need to watch. Wait, you're gonna scroll.
Getting in.
You have to get in.
You have to put the hose at the back.
yeah,
I can't do that.
Yes, you can.
What's your below?
just jump in there.
Get in there.
That's all we can do.
Let's have a look at the inside. So this one got an extra tray for all your cutlery and
And you can move them.
yeah.
Yeah. If you no.
No, the next one for your
This
plates.
one, you
Yeah.
can move this one. You can put it down.
Yeah. So there's just a pulling thing on the side, which
Yeah.
makes it
And,
easier.
and you can
Now you have to lift that too.
put it.
Yeah, if you want to put it up, so you have a bit of more space for down the bottom for your big pots. And this one also goes down that you
Goes
were
down.
showing me before.
Yeah, this.
No, this one.
Yeah.
How do you do that? that, so you can bend it over. Or just put it back like that.
And then
Clip it.
there's that. Whoa!
Why is it moving like that? Oh, okay.
You're the one working.
Okay, we put it, we're giving it a try. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that mess.
Yeah, just tuck it all in there.
Okay.
Okay, so which one is...
Yeah, that's already in the echo, so that means that's Sava.
Yeah. See what happens.
And you just press that one.
You'd have to find out. I don't know, I haven't read any buttons.